Haji Awantengah bin Ali Hassan, Deputy Chief Minister of Sarawak, Minister for International Trade and Industry, Industrial Terminal and Entrepreneur Development, the Honorable Tan Sri Dato' Amar Haji Muhammad Asfia bin Awang Nassar, Speaker, Sarawak State Legislative Assembly, the Honorable Dato' Haji Muhammad Nuruddin bin Haji Majais, Assistant Minister for Entrepreneur and Small and Medium Enterprise Development, Mr. Yoshio Akimoto, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, CEO, Tayo Yuden Sarawak Sdn Bhd, Yang Berusaha Mr. Zulkarnain bin Masron, Acting Permanent Secretary for Mintrade Sarawak, Yang berbahagia Datuk Liao Sun Eng, Special Officer for Mintrade Sarawak, to all our distinguished guests, members of media, ladies and gentlemen. Selamat datang, warm welcome, and thank you very much for joining us today for the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister working visit to Tayo Yuden Sarawak Sdn Bhd new investment at Samajaya High-Tech Park. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now continue our ceremony with a welcoming remark by Mr. Yoshio Akimoto, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, CEO, Tayo Yuden Sarawak Sdn Bhd. Sir, please.
Good morning and welcome to the Honorable Dato' Amar Haji Awantengah bin Ali Hassan, Deputy Chief Minister. The Honorable Tan Sri Dato' Amar Muhammad Asfia Awang Nassar, Speakers, Sarawak State Legislative Assembly, Assistant Ministers and Government officials, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, thank you to the Honorable Dato' Amar and all distinguished guests for a working visit to our new factory project at Samajaya Free Industrial Zone. Tayo Yuden Sarawak started its operation since 1996, and this year marks the 25th year of our operation in Sarawak. Demand for our product, multi-layer ceramic capacitors, is expected to continue to grow in response to the advancement of electronic control in automobiles, communication infrastructures such as servers and base stations, and the evolution of 5G and smartphones. Tayo Yuden has decided to invest 0.7 billion Malaysia ringgit in Samajaya Free Industrial Zone to build a new factory to meet the further increase of demand in the future. In phase one of the project, one factory, office building, and material warehouse will be constructed. The new factory will contribute to the reduction of greenhouse gas emission through energy conservation by improving the efficiency of facilities and energy creation by introducing solar power green generation on the roof of the building, making it an environmentally friendly factory. The new factory will be operational in year 2023 and will provide employment opportunity for 2,000 people in the future, contributing to the development of Sarawak. We are looking forward to the continual support and cooperation from the Honorable Datu Ama and the Sarawak State Government to ensure that this project is realized as planned. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the welcoming remark. And ladies and gentlemen, and now without further ado, please join me in welcoming the Honorable Dato' Amar Haji Awang Tengah bin Ali Hassan, Deputy Chief Minister of Sarawak, to deliver his speech.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning to all of you. The Honorable Dato' Ahmad Tan Sri Muhammad Aspia Awang Nasa, Speaker of State Legislative Assembly, Honorable Dato' Muhammad Nuruddin, Mr. Yusio Akimoto, Managing Director, CEO, Tayudin Sarawak Sdn Bhd, Mr. Joko Nain, Acting Permanent Secretary, Mentret, Dr. Liao Soeng, Special Function Officer to Mentret. Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I would like to thank Mr. Yusio Akimoto, Managing Director and CEO of Tayudin Sarawak Sdn Bhd, for inviting me to visit the site of your new facility at Samajaya Pre-Industrial Zone. I recall that not so long ago, on the 5th July 2018, I officiated the groundbreaking ceremony of your two-story factory expansions in the main complex, which is already in operation. In a matter of 3 years, Tayudin Sarawak has expanded rapidly, and I'm very glad that Tayudin has chosen Sarawak as the location for your new investment, making Tayudin as the largest manufacturing complex in your global operations. I would like to congratulate Tayudin Sarawak as well as Longi, Western Digital, and IMM Technology on your new expansion plan, totaling RM 6.31 billion in Samajaya. Even though the COVID-19 pandemic continues to ravage the economies all over the world. These new investments reflect the high level of confidence that the investors, especially foreign investors, that they have a confidence in our political leadership, led by Right Honorable the Chief Minister, Tan Sri Dr. Abang Haji Abdul Rahman Johari, in the way we run the government and the way we manage our economy. I wish to thank all the companies in Samajaya and all the business communities in Sarawak for working together with the government on the vaccination program for COVID-19 that enable Sarawak to achieve a very high vaccination rate within a short period of time, despite of the logistic challenges. Our success in vaccination program has been the envy of other states in Malaysia. This goes to show that when we are united and focus our energy and the resources on the same objective, we can achieve wonders. Thank you to all of you for your cooperation and strong support to safeguard Sarawak. Samajaya Pre-Industrial Zone in Kuching was initiated in the early 90s when YAB Datuk Petinggi Tan Sri Dr. Abang Haji Abdul Rahman Johari served as the Minister for Industrial Development. This pre-zone is dedicated for export-oriented high-tech electrical and electronic sector. I am proud to note that Samajaya is providing employment to more than 13,700 people, where 98% of the workforce are local Sarawakians, and almost 10% of them are engineers. The annual salaries paid to the workforce in Samajaya alone stood at RM 598 million in the year 2020. This has further generated RM 667 million annual spin-offs to our local economy, benefiting the SMEs from logistics to warehousing, machinery supplies and services, maintenance, catering, laundry, etc. Samajaya Pre-Industrial Zone has done very well, even though the pandemic has caused global slowdown, affecting the economic growth of many countries. The multinational corporations in Samajaya have successfully exported RM 6.93 billion worth of goods in 2020, an increase of 27.5% from the year 2019. Some of the products from Samajaya are found in global brands such as Apple, Samsung, and BMW. Sarawak has always ranked among the top 4 investment destination in Malaysia for the manufacturing sector. For the past many years, despite the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, Sarawak was still able to attract RM 15.7 billion of investment in 2020. The visions of the Right Honourable, the Chief Minister of Sarawak, which is spelled out in the post-COVID-19 development strategy 2030, is to propel Sarawak to be a developed state by the year 2030, driven by data and innovation, where everyone enjoys economic prosperity, social inclusivity, and sustainable environment. Ladies and gentlemen, the vibrancy and success of Samajaya, as well as the continuous expansions of these multinational corporations in Sarawak, augurs well for the post-COVID-19 development strategies 2030. To leapfrog Sarawak to a high-income economy by the year 2030. Sarawak will continue with its business-friendly policies to attract more investments in high-tech industries, as well as in other sectors. This is where the E&E industry can contribute towards achieving the objective of PCDS 2030. As Samajaya Free Industrial Zone has nearly reached its full capacity, Sarawak government has identified a new site, approximately 1,000 acres, in Samarahan for the expansion of the high-tech park. As we intensify our effort to attract more FDIs, Sarawak has a huge landmass and abundance of natural resources. Therefore, we need more FDIs to accelerate our economic growth for the benefits of the rakyat. We need to continue creating new business opportunities for our business communities in high-tech sector, and to continue creating more high-skill employment opportunities for our graduates and school leavers. Once again, I would like to congratulate Tayo Yuden, Western Digital, IMM Technology, Longi, and others on your expansion plan. I would like to assure that the GPS governments of Sarawak will continue its best to ensure that your expansion project in Sarawak will be successfully implemented without undue delay. Your success is our success. Our success is Sarawak's success. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Yang Berhormat Dato' Amar, for the speech. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, next we will proceed with briefing by Tayo Yuden Sarawak, Senjong Berhad, on the new investment. And with that, we would like to invite Mr. Yoshiyuki Amada, General Manager, Tayo Yuden Sarawak Senjong Berhad, and Mr. Urano Takuji, Sato Kogyo Project Manager. Please welcome.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for your time to come visiting to our new factory project site. My name is Amada from Tayo Yuden. I would like to brief on Tayo Yuden new factory project. Firstly, I will explain background of MLCC growing demand. As can we see on this picture, the evolution of information and communication technologies such as IoT and 5G will accelerate, and electronic devices and information infrastructure will also change. From now on, IoT will become widespread, and everything will be connected to the network. So demand for MLCC can be expected to increase in all electronic devices, such as data centers, servers, base stations, and communication service. This graph shows that demand for MLCC is expected to increase 1.6 times from years 2020 until 2025. And we Tayo Yuden will utilize our technological strength, which is our strength, to expand high-performance products in markets where high reliability is required. High-performance MLCC consists of micron-size dielectrics and metal electrode that are layered with high precision and required extremely high technology to manufacture it. The smallest size of MLCC that we manufacture in our Malaysia factory is 0.3 millimeter. Next. This is an overall area view of our factory. The red frame is existing factory. The yellow frame is new factory area. The land area of existing factory is 211,000 square meter, and new factory land area 283,000 square meter, which is bigger than existing factory. This is this is an overview image of our new factory. During phase 1, this area is called phase 1. We will construct one block of factory and office welfare building and material warehouse building. In future, we will construct another 4 blocks of factory building. This is a front view image of office welfare building. This is all I explained. So I will pass to Sato Kogyo for further explanation. Thank you.